In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export AAF from DaVinci Resolve. We will walk through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. Start by opening your project. If DaVinci Resolve is already running, make sure the correct project is loaded in the project manager. When the project is open, you should see your timeline with clips and audio on the tracks, ready to go. Now go to the Deliver page. Look at the bottom of the window for the row of page icons and click the one labeled Deliver. The layout will switch to show a big timeline at the bottom, a preview viewer at the top, and export options down the side. Next, click the Render Settings panel. On the left side of the Deliver page, you will see a vertical area with presets and settings. If it is collapsed, click its title bar so it expands. Once it opens, you will see various export presets and detailed options for video, audio, and file naming. From there, select the Audio or Pro Tools export option. This option is usually listed with the other presets on the left side of the Render Settings panel. When you click it, the settings on the right will update, and you will notice video options become less prominent while audio-related options become available. This preset prepares Resolve to output an AAF that audio software like Pro Tools can read. Now choose the format AAF. In the Format dropdown inside the Render settings, click and pick AAF from the list. As soon as you choose it, the panel will adjust to show only the controls that apply to AAF export. AAF stands for Advanced Authoring Format, and it carries your timeline structure to audio applications. Next, set the audio codec to Wav Linear PCM, which is recommended. Look for the audio codec dropdown and select Wav or Linear PCM. Wav Linear PCM keeps your audio uncompressed, so there is no quality loss when the mix goes to another system. You may see other codecs listed, but for AAF aimed at professional audio work, Wav is the safest choice. Now choose whether to export separate audio files or embed audio inside the AAF. If you choose separate audio files, Resolve writes the AAF plus a folder of individual WAV files, which many sound editors prefer because they can access the audio directly. If you embed audio inside the AAF, everything is packed into one file, which is easy to move but can be larger and slightly slower to open. Take a moment to decide which workflow your audio team expects. After that, choose your export location. In the File Location field or Browse button, pick a folder where you want the AAF and audio to be saved. Confirm the path shown matches a drive and folder you can easily find later, such as a dedicated exports folder for your project. With those settings in place, click Add to Render Queue. On the right side of the Deliver page, a Render Queue panel will show a new job entry with the name of your project or timeline. This job stores all the export settings you just configured. Finally, click Render All. The Render Queue will start processing, and you will see a progress bar and time remaining next to your job. When it completes, the status changes to finished, and your AAF file and audio are now written to the export location you chose. You have just exported an AAF from DaVinci Resolve that is ready for handoff to Audio Post or Pro Tools, so if that helped you get your mix out cleanly, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more DaVinci tips like this.